Hey, welcome back to the Stay Home Artist channel. Today I'm going to go over how I like to stitch a rose. I like to start with 12 strands. So got my full 6 strands of embroidery thread and a size 18 chenille needle, and I'm going to thread it through the top here, and then to use the full 12 strands I'm going to knot both ends of my embroidery thread like this. Normally I would just knot one end, but I want to use double here to add some more texture to make this go a little bit faster. So I'm going to set that needle aside with my 12 strands and grab another needle, which is my size 22 chenille needle with just 6 strands of thread. So I've just knotted at one end, and I'm going to add the spokes to this little circle here so I can go ahead and get started on the woven wagon wheel. Alright, now that my spokes are all in place, I'm going to switch back to my 12 strands of thread that is already on my size 18 chenille needle. I'm going to come up in between 2 spokes here and just weave around each of the spokes. Now that I'm at a place where I don't have quite enough thread to work with, I'm going to come underneath this last spoke here and then bring my needle over top just to secure the weave so far, and then tie a little knot. And go ahead and get started just like I did before. Now I've reached a spot where all of my spokes are pretty much non-visible, but I want to add just a little bit more texture to fill in and erase some of these lines around the rose. So I'm just going to add some straight stitches around the edges of the rose here. It's also going to add a little bit more dimension to my flower, which is something that I always like. And I ran out of thread, so I just switched to my size 22 chenille needle with only 6 strands of thread to finish up my straight stitching around my rose. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you try this and join me again next time. Thank you.